Hello, I'm Lewis. Welcome to the Yes Group Test Kitchen. Today we're going to use our ACP ovens and cook up a local favorite, beer brats. All right, for this recipe we're going to use 6 brats, local, freshly made. Throw them in our high heat pan. We're going to go ahead and top those with onions, garlic. It's about 1 onion, clove of garlic. Then our local delicious Pilsner beer. You'll need 6 of these. Ooh, nice. Just to cover them. That'll be good. We're going to go ahead and put a lid on this and throw it in our high-speed steam oven, right this way. So it's pre-programmed. I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. Fire up my program, wait 8 minutes, and we'll have delicious beer boiled brats. We're going to go ahead and finish those in the Express Chef 4i. So as we come to the end of our 2-stage process, we did 4 minutes at 100%, and then another 4 minutes at 30%, just to give us a nice gentle simmer, get our brats ready and par cooked. So our nice little parboiled brats. Let's get to grilling. Okay. Right now we're going to load these up. I'll just throw them on the sheet tray temporarily. We're going to run a 1 minute, 30-second setting. No microwave again because we boiled the brats. So we're just going to grill them on high, 500 degrees with that high fan. And they'll come out all ready to go. Go to our oven. Go ahead and hit our program. We're going to throw these right on the grill plate. Close the door, and we're ready to go. All right, now our brats are almost done. They come out of here ready to go. I'm going to take them out with our paddle. It's going to be hot. There's our finished product. We got a nice grill on there. That's a stadium-looking quality brat. Now all we need is some cheese curds, and we've gone full Wisconsin. All right, now that our brats are grilled and ready to go, last step, we're going to toast our buns. This is more of a gentle fan. Again, no microwave is needed on this particular recipe, but you could assist if these buns were frozen or maybe our brats were frozen. Right to here, toast bun. Right, now that we're done, we're going to go ahead and throw these together. Take our nice grilled brat in our toasted bun. Optional sauerkraut, but I'm a fan. So mine's going to get loaded up. And remember I said 6 beers? Well, if you only counted, we did 4 in there. We got 2 left. These are the most important beers of the process. And they go along with our brat. Just like that, you have a local special, the Wisconsin Beer Brats.